Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chris Time, and today we're going to be installing some running boards on the Chevy Colorado Z71. Let's go. So about 4 months of ownership of the 3rd gen Chevy Colorado. I absolutely love this truck. I love this vehicle because it can take me literally anywhere. Off-roading, in the snow, up a mountain, towing a vehicle, and as well as hauling a bunch of stuff. I haven't done any performance mods just yet. Most of the stuff that I've done so far is appearance, and yeah, it's a beautiful truck. I absolutely love it. I love the styling of it. I love the exterior. I love the interior. I love everything about this truck. The only downside to this vehicle is this being a 4-cylinder turbo. But anyways, it is what it is. I still love this truck. I don't regret my purchase. These are my new running boards that I got from Adero's website. The new running boards feature a 6-inch wide slip-resistant design, which is made of rust-resistant aluminum and covered with slip-resistant ABS, which is also repeatedly tested to ensure corrosion resistance even against salt sprays. Running boards also protect doors and side panels by deflecting road debris kicked up by wheels, as well as any accidental dents or dings you get while parked at a Costco parking lot. So for those who are starting out, this is what it looks like. So we got 1, 2, there's supposed to be one here. So we're gonna have to remove this and then this because this is gonna be in the way. So to remove it, you can use your nail or grab a screwdriver, but I just took it off by hand, no problem. So take that off. And then we're gonna insert the clips through here and in here. And so the end result will look like this because you have to screw in the included bolts. I believe these are 12mm bolts. So there's one up here, one down here, and this ain't gonna go anywhere. So there's gonna be a total of 4 installed under here. All right, grab your clips. You see how there's like a little thing right here? So this goes in like this. Pops on like that. One on the bottom and then one on top. Once you do that, you're gonna grab your bracket. Alright, that's about it. Should look like this now. Then gonna have to take this off anyways. So That ain't going anywhere. Cool. Once you install the running board, it should look like this. This is the side view. So yeah, there you go, guys. That was the install of the running boards from Odero. I really like the looks of these running boards, and I like how light they are. It's very easy to install. It's fully adjustable. You can adjust it farther away from the truck, or like how I have it, it's kind of tucked in because I don't want it to really get in the way. Also, it really looks good on this truck, especially with all the other mods that I've already installed. I don't have to rely on limited step room because this whole side, just close this, because this whole side now has these running boards. So I can just go like this, or if I'm washing my car, I can just run along like this, you know, wipe the top and all that stuff. Since, you know, this would be good for those short kings like me, you know. Especially with the lifted truck. I actually lifted this 2 inches so I can have more wheel clearance as well as ground clearance whenever I am going on the trails or off-roading and all that stuff. Maybe in the future we'll do a really good off-roading trip. I raised the front by 2 inches and then the rear by 1.5. Anyways, guys, that about wraps up this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you guys think of this video. I will be making more videos of my 3rd gen Chevy Colorado Z71. So if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more content like this on the channel. I'll also be making more 11th gen Honda Civic content on the channel as well. So for you 11th gen Honda Civic owners out there, hit that subscribe button as well if you haven't already. Anyways, guys, thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time, and peace out.